So today we are going to revise area and perimeter. The first question we have today is find the perimeter of a shaded region. So you can see there is shaded region here. We have to find the perimeter. If each square is 1 unit long, that is, this is 1 unit long. This is 1 unit. Then this is also 1 unit. So let's find the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of a figure. Perimeter is the boundary of a figure. So let's find the perimeter. This is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the perimeter of this figure is 8 units. The perimeter of this figure is 8 units. So we will write here 8 units. The next question says the perimeter of a shape is 20 units. So this is a shape given to you and the perimeter of this shape is 20 units. Find its missing side. So let's write the formula of perimeter. What is the perimeter? What is the formula of the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. We have to show all these steps. We have to show the all these steps. So perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So what are the sides available here? One side is 4 units. The other side is 5 units. The next side is again 4 units. And the last side is question mark. We don't know. The last side we don't know. At the same time, we know the perimeter. What is the perimeter given to us? 20 units. So we will write this. 20 units is the perimeter. So now we will see how much is the total here. So let's find the total. So this is 4 plus 5 plus 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is 13 units. 13 units plus question mark. Now 13 units में हम क्या ऐड करें that we get 20. 30 में हम क्या प्लस करें कि we get 20. So yes, 13 में हम 7 प्लस करेंगे so that we get 20. So the missing side is equal to 20 minus 13, that is 7. Missing side is equal to 20 minus 13. This 13 will get subtracted. So let's write missing side is equal to 20 units minus 13 units, that is equal to 7 units. So 7 units is the answer. So we will tick on 7 units. Let's tick on 7 units. So this is our answer, 7 units. Now let's move to the next. Now the next question is the given shape is made up of unit squares. So these are the this is the shape made of unit squares. That means unit square means 1 unit. This is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Find its area. We have to find its area. So this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. So total area is 4 square units. The total area of this shape is 4 square units. Square units is already mentioned here. The next question says what is the perimeter of a square? We have to find what is the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 units. एक square की जो side है, if this is a square, one side is 5 units. So the side is 5 units. We need to find the perimeter of a square. Now perimeter is sum of all sides. So side plus side plus side plus side. That means how many sides? 4 sides equal. And you remember the formula of a square perimeter is 4 multiplied by side. So we will write perimeter is equal to perimeter of a square. Of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. That is equal to 4 multiplied by the side is given to you is 5 units. So 4 multiplied by 5 units is 20 units. So 20 units is the answer. So 20 units is the answer. Now you see all the options. In all the options, it is 20 square units. So it is wrong. You cross unit square word from here, cross square one from word from here, and put a tick mark on this. So 20 units is the answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Next question is find the perimeter of the compound shape. So when a shape is made up of using two shapes, then that shape is compound shapes. For example, in this shape you can see this is one shape and this is another shape. So it's like a compound shape. So let's find the perimeter. Again, we have just learned that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So first we will write here perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So we will write the sides. What are the sides given to you? So starting from this side, the first side is 3 units. So let's start from here. 3, then next after 3 it is 2, then again after 2 next is 3. Yes, very good. Then next is 2. So we will write here 2. The after 2 the next one is 6 and the last one is 4. So let's find the total. So the total is 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 10 is 20. So the perimeter is 20 units. The perimeter is 20 units. Let's write the answer. The perimeter is 20 units. Let's write here 20 units. Okay. The next question says if the length of sides of a playground, एक प्लेग्राउंड है उसकी लेंथ मतलब साइड्स दी हुई है. व्हाट आर द साइड्स? 50 मीटर, 80 मीटर, 65 मीटर एंड 60 मीटर. सो लेट्स सी इफ दिस इज 80 मीटर, 50, 65, it can be 60. So this is like a shape of the playground. It can be any shape also. So this is a rough drawing. So 80 meter, this is 50 meter, then next is 65 meter, and the last one is 60 meters. So this is the playground shape. Now we need to find the perimeter of the ground. So what is the formula to find the perimeter of the ground? The formula is perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So first we will write here perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Right? Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. After this, we will write the sides. So what are the sides? The first one is perimeter will be equal to 50 meter, added to 80 meter, added to 65 meter, and the last one is, yes, 60 meter. Very good. Now let's add all of them. Let's add. So 50 plus 80 is 130. Yes. 50 plus 85 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 6 is 19 and 19 plus 6 is 25. So this is 250 and 5 meter more. So 255 meter is the answer. 255 meter is the answer. So we will put a tick mark at 255 meter. Now the next question is draw a figure having an area of 18 square units. आपको कोई भी फिगर बनानी है जिसका एरिया कितना हो 18 स्क्वायर यूनिट. सो इफ ईच बॉक्स, अगर हर एक बॉक्स जो है यहाँ पे 1 स्क्वायर यूनिट का है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे पेरीमीटर इज नॉट गिवन, सो वी कैन मेक एनी शेप्स. जस्ट वी नीड टू हैव हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स? 18 squares. So let's find. This is like 1 square. If I'm making it like this, 1 square, 2, 3. Now I am taking it, moving it like this. So 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पे आ गए 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's draw this figure. We will make the outline. So our figure is ready. So if we find again what is the area? 1 square unit. This is 1 square unit. Let me just make it a little more. So this is 1 square unit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. और अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में मान लो एक्स्ट्रा चीज दी होती दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ योर शेप, आपने जोन सी भी शेप बनाई उसका पेरीमीटर निकालो, तो लेट्स फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑल्सो। तो पेरीमीटर क्या होगा? दिस इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, then 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 and 38. So the perimeter is 38 units. द पेरीमीटर इज 38 यूनिट्स। आप जोन से भी फिगर बनाओगे आप उसका पेरीमीटर भी जरूर निकालना। ओके, यू कैन मेक एनी फिगर, यू इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू हैव टू मेक दिस फिगर, यू कैन मेक एनी फिगर। सो द एरिया वाज 18 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स, सो यू कैन क्रिएट एनी ऑफ योर फिगर ऑफ योर चॉइस जिसका एरिया 18 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स हो एंड ऑल्सो फाइंड इट्स पेरीमीटर। जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे पेरीमीटर निकाला, यू ऑल्सो फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ योर शेप। लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Now question 8 says Rita covers 4 rounds. Rita क्या कर रही है? 4 rounds cover कर रही है of a rectangular park. So that means एक rectangular park है, like this is a rectangular park. Not very good, but okay, I tried. So this is a rectangular park और जो हमारी रीता है, she is covering how many rounds of it? How many rounds of it? 4 rounds. So this is like 1 round, going one round, then 2 rounds, then 3 rounds, then fourth round. So that means 4 times the perimeter. 4 rounds Rita cover कर रही है. Now let's read what is next given to you. The length is given to you as 100 meters. So the length of the park is 100 meter and the breadth of the park is 50 meters. So this is the breadth. So breadth of the park is 50 meter. Now we need to find the distance covered by her. तो रीटा ने कितना distance cover किया? We need to find that, and then you have to express your answer in kilometer and meter. This is and. You have to find the answer in kilometer and meter. So let's first write the formula. Okay. So what is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice the sum of length and breadth. 2 multiply by length plus breadth. Okay. Remember, 2 multiply means twice the sum of length and breadth. So this is 2 multiply by so we will write here perimeter of rectangular park. Perimeter of rectangle we will write here now. Rectangular park is equal to 2 multiply by length is 100 meter plus breadth is 50 meter. So now we will solve it. That is equal to 2 multiply by 100 plus 50 is, what is 100 plus 50? 150. So 2 multiply by 150, 150 meter. So now let's multiply. 2 multiply by 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 twos are 30. Yes, and one more zero. So it is 300 meters. So the perimeter of this rectangular park is 300 meters. अब रीटा ने कितने राउंड्स कवर किए? 4 राउंड्स. So we need to find the distance covered in 4 rounds. So let's write distance covered in 4 rounds. Yeah, or distance Rita cover in 4 rounds. You can write that also. So 4 multiplied by perimeter. What is perimeter? 4 multiplied by 300 meter. So what is 4 multiplied by 300? What is 4 multiplied by 300? Yes. 4 threes are 12 and 2 zeros. So 1200. So 1200 meter is the answer. Now they are saying that express your answer in kilometer and meter. अब हमें इसको kilometer and meter में convert करना है. So remember this is a smaller unit और small से जब हम big पे जाते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं? Divide. ठीक है? सैगल दीप्ति बत्रा सदाबहार रिमेंबर. सो वी विल डिवाइड. हम स्मॉल से बिग पे जाते हैं तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? हाउ मेनी मीटर्स मेक 1 किलोमीटर? 1000. Yes. So we will divide it by 1000. So let's divide it by 1000. और जब हम 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो how many zeros will come? Now see 3 zeros, so that means 3 digit remainder. जितने zeros होते हैं उतने digit का remainder होता है. So this will be your remainder and this will be your quotient. Queen. So queen is the main answer. So what is the main answer? 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. And 200 will be the remainder, so 200 meters. So Rita covered a distance of 1 kilometer and 200 meters. This is the answer. The last question is find the side of a square path whose perimeter is 120 meters. अब आपको एक square path दिया हुआ. Okay, so like this is my square path and its perimeter, मतलब इसका perimeter ये total is given to you 120 meters. जब हमें सिर्फ पेरीमीटर निकालना होता था तो हम क्या करते थे? 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे. पर अब तो ऑलरेडी पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है तो हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें ये साइड निकालनी है. हमें वन साइड निकालनी है, ओनली वन साइड. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करें? हम किसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 120 आ जाए? क्योंकि पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर पाथ? द फॉर्मूला इज पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 4 पेरीमीटर ऑफ, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर पाथ भी लिख लेते हैं. स्क्वायर पाथ इज इक्वल टू 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. तो व्हाट इज द साइड? वी डोंट नो बट वी नो द पेरीमीटर. हमें क्या दिया हुआ? पेरीमीटर दिया है. तो द पेरीमीटर इज 120 मीटर. 120 मीटर इज गिवन टू यू एंड वी डोंट नो द साइड. तो 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. अब हम 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 120 मीटर आ जाए? तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? हम उल्टा कर देंगे. हम 120 मीटर को ही 4 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. हम इस 4 को उधर ले जाएंगे और 4 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो 120 मीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 5. तो 4 की टेबल में 12 कब आता है? ये लेट्स डिवाइड. 4 की टेबल में 12 कब आता है? 4 3 है ना. 4 3 12. और 0 कब आता है 4 की टेबल में? 4 0 0. तो 30 मीटर इज द आंसर. द साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर पाथ इज 30 मीटर.